Bribery is the crime of giving or taking money or some other valuable item in order to influence a public official in the performance of his or her duties. Bribery includes paying to get government contracts, giving a bottle of liquor to a building inspector to ignore a violation or grant a permit, or selling stock to a congressman at a cut-rate price. The definition has been expanded to include bribes given to corporate officials to obtain contracts or other advantages which are against company policy.